Fractions. 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 Okay, a over b, a over b, a over b, where b cannot equal 0. A is the numerator. A is the numerator. A is the numerator. B is the denominator. B is the denominator. B is the denominator. A numeric fraction is a quotient of two numbers. Basically, it's this divided by this, this divided by this, this divided by this. Oops, quotient of two numbers. Bam, 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 bam. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is referred to as the denominator. The denominator cannot equal 0. Bam. Prime factorization. A prime number is a whole number that has two distinct factors, one in itself. Examples of prime numbers include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So, somewhat odd numbers and all that. Remember, this is for me. But, two distinct factors. Okay, I can't think of a reference right now. The list can go on and on. Be careful, 1 is not a prime number because it only has one distinct factor, which is 1. When you rewrite a number using prime factorization, you write that number as a product of prime numbers. Prime factorization, prime factorization, prime factorization. Okay, prime numbers. Okay, prime factorization. 12 equals 2 times 6 equals 2 times 2 times 3. So, they broke down 12 to two numbers, and then they broke it down again to all prime numbers. Break down, break down, break down, break down, break down, and then all the prime numbers, all the prime numbers, all the prime numbers. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. The last product is 12 and is made up of all prime numbers. When is a fraction simplified? A fraction is simplified if the numerator and denominator do not have any common factors other than 1. Hold up. Hey, prime factorization, literally break it down till it's all prime numbers. Break it down till it's all prime numbers. Break it down till it's all prime numbers. Alright, good question. Fraction is simplified. Good question. A fraction is simplified if the numerator and denominator do not have any common factors other than 1. You can divide out common factors by using the fundamental principles of fractions, as shown next. Hold up. This basically means it's all prime numbers, all prime numbers, all prime numbers. Prime number is, and remember, prime number is literally 1 in itself, 1 in itself, 1 in itself. So basically, it can't go into anything else. Like 2 can go into 4, 6, 7, 8, but prime 2 is just 2 in itself, 2 in itself, 2 in itself. And extra 3 is 3, 6. Actually, never mind. I can't think of that. Fundamental principle of fractions. Fundamental principle of fractions. A times C equals A. B times C equals B. In other words, if you divide out the same factor in both the numerator and the denominator, then you will end up with an equivalent expression. An equivalent expression is one that looks different but has the same value. A times C, A times C, A times C, and B times C, B times C, B times C equals A over B. A times C equals A. A times C equals A. A times C equals A. B times C equals B. B times C equals B. B times C equals B. Basically, yeah, literally, when these two are multiplied by the same exact number, same exact number, same exact number, then this is going to be a factor of it. Basically, think of this as 3 and this as 6. Well, 3, 3, 3, and this is 6. Hold up. Okay. This is 2 and this is 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Actually, if I don't write it down, it's going to be mad confusing. I'll just stop the video here.